Hello tech lovers. Have you ever had friends who want to connect to your Wi-Fi but you can't remember the password, or you may have forgotten your password for a Wi-Fi network you logged into previously? There is a solution to these issues in Windows 11. If you have ever connected to a Wi-Fi network from your Windows 11 PC, your PC has saved that network's password. You can use this saved Wi-Fi password using multiple ways, and let's look at each point in more detail.
Bandhan Cement, नेपाल गुणस्तर चिन्ह प्राप्त, साथ प्रविधि र गुणस्तरको।
If you have forgotten your Wi-Fi password, you can get it via Windows 11 control panel. Remember, with this method, you can only view a password of a Wi-Fi network if you are already connected to that net. Follow the steps below to get your Wi-Fi password. First, open the control panel on Windows 11 by searching Control Panel in Windows Search. In the control panel, click the View Network Status and Tasks under the Network and Internet category. Here in the right panel of the page, you can see Wi-Fi you are connected to. Just click on it and Wi-Fi status pop-up will appear. Then click on Wireless Property. Choose the Security tab and check the box in front of Show Characters to reveal your Wi-Fi password. You can also go through another way to reveal the password by selecting Change Adapter Settings in the left panel of the page. You can also directly access the network connections in Control Panel by pressing Windows R key and type ncpa.cpl in the Run command and then click on OK. In the network connections below, right-click on the Wi-Fi adapter and select Status, or just double-click on the Wi-Fi adapter. Next, click on Wireless Properties in the Wi-Fi status window. Now, go to the Security tab and check the box in front of Show Characters to reveal your Wi-Fi password. Another similar method you can use to find Wi-Fi password is by using the Windows 11 settings. To open System Settings, right-click the Start button and select the Settings icon, or press the shortcut key Windows I. In Windows 11 Settings, click the Network and Internet tab on the left panel, then scroll down and select the Advanced Network Settings option on the right. In the Advanced Network Settings page, scroll down and select More Network Adapter options under Related Settings. This will open the Network Connections control panel. Here, right-click on Wi-Fi adapter and select Status, or just double-click on Wi-Fi adapter. In the Wi-Fi status dialog box, select Wireless Properties. This will show another pop-up dialog box, Wireless Network Properties. In that, switch to Security tab and check the Show Character option. Now you will see the password of your Wi-Fi network in the Network Security key field, as shown on the screen. With the above methods, you can only view the password of currently connected Wi-Fi network. But what if you want to find the password of a disconnected network or an out-of-range Wi-Fi network? You can use a command prompt to view the password of the currently connected network as well as any of the network you have connected to previously. However, this method won't work if you have clicked the Forget options to forget a network. First, open the command prompt by searching for Command Prompt or CMD on the Windows search bar. Now type the following command: netsh wlan show profiles or profile, and press enter to get a list of all the wireless network profiles saved on your computer. Now run the following command: netsh wlan show profile name is equal to Wi-Fi name key equal to clear to reveal the Wi-Fi password or key for a specific Wi-Fi SSID, that is network name. Here, Wi-Fi name in the given command is Wi-Fi SSID, that is Wi-Fi network name, that you want to see the saved password or key for. For example, if you wish to know the password of the Wi-Fi SSID Jayalakshmi, you have to replace Wi-Fi name with your Wi-Fi SSID name Jayalakshmi and hit enter. This should display all information about the Wi-Fi network as well as its password. Scroll down to the Security Settings section and you will see the password of the Wi-Fi network next to key content. If you want to get the password without any additional information about the network, then run this command instead. netsh wlan show profile name is equal to Wi-Fi name, key equal to clear, find/I, then key content. Make sure to replace Wi-Fi name in the given command with your Wi-Fi SSID that you want to see the saved password or key for. In our case, we used the Wi-Fi name Jayalakshmi and hit enter. Now, here you can get the key content only, and that is Jayalakshmi at 11 as shown on the screen. All the above methods can only help you find one Wi-Fi network password at a time. But there is a way you can use to find the list of all saved Wi-Fi password on Windows 11 using PowerShell. To do that, first, you need to launch Windows PowerShell. You can either launch the PowerShell app by searching for it in Windows Search or open PowerShell in Windows Terminal. Once the PowerShell opens, type or simply copy and paste the following command in the Windows and then hit enter. You can get the code in the description below. Now PowerShell will display all the saved networks that your computer is connected to and their password in a nice little table as shown on the screen. You can also run the same command in the Windows PowerShell through Windows Terminal to get the same result. You can also use third-party software to reveal all the saved passwords in your Windows 11 PC to see saved Wi-Fi password quickly. If you are looking for a one-click solution, you can use Wireless Key View from Newsoft. It's a free tool that lets you see all wireless network security key or password stored in your computer. All you need to do is download the portable zip file from the official website, extract it, and open the application. It would automatically show you the Wi-Fi network names and their password keys without having to do anything. Automatically, you can use Wi-Fi password revealer from Magic Balloon. You just have to download, install, and run the app to find your passwords. These are the two free softwares you can use to retrieve all the Wi-Fi passwords saved in Windows 11. Password management is an important step in keeping your router and home network secure. If you lost your password, the best thing to do is change it. These are some quick working methods to find password for your Wi-Fi network on Windows 11 machine. I hope this helps you find lost Wi-Fi password without breaking your phone. Anyway, which of the above ways do you prefer? Let me know in the comments below. Stay tuned for more.